At Ed Bozarth, Nevada #1 Chevrolet, you'll find quality, value, service, and selection. Today we'd like to talk about the 2017 Chevrolet Traverse. With seating for up to 8, best-in-class maximum cargo space, and active safety technologies, Traverse is designed to fit the entire family. Come with us as we take a closer look. The athletic hood design, bold grille, and striking projector-style headlamps make for a strong first impression. Available 20-inch aluminum wheels will turn heads, and the standard roof rails add tons of versatility to this modern and stylish SUV. The refined, comfortable interior is filled with premium materials and available wood grain accents throughout. The available heated and 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat will help you settle in and feel right at home. And the available leather-wrapped steering wheel houses convenient Bluetooth phone and audio controls, as well as access to Sirius Free using your compatible iPhone. Chevrolet MyLink provides easy access to information, music, and available navigation through the 6.5-inch diagonal color touchscreen. And the built-in 4G LTE Wi-Fi turns your Traverse into a wireless hotspot. With seating for up to 8, all of your passengers can enjoy the ride. The ingenious Smart Slide second row seating allows easy access to the third row, and both rows can be folded completely flat for a best-in-class 116.3 cubic feet of maximum cargo space. The robust 3.6-liter V6 engine generates up to 288 horsepower and 270 foot-pounds of torque, and when properly equipped, can tow up to 5,200 pounds while still giving you plenty of passing power. Traverse offers protection with an array of advanced airbags and a high-strength steel safety cage, along with a host of available innovative driver assist technologies. And the standard rear vision camera makes backing into those tricky parking spots a breeze. Traverse is the place for the ultimate family gathering, whether it's the day-to-day commute or the next weekend getaway. So come down and see us and check out the 2017 Chevrolet Traverse.